Let's face it, patchy beards are hardly the height of attraction. It can be frustrating when you're aiming for a face full of thick, dense beard, but the hair only aspires to grow in certain places. Who wants bald patches on some areas of their face and full-on hair growth on others? No one. If you're currently dealing with a patchy beard issue, luckily there's plenty that can be done to fix it naturally. There's no need to resort to beard implants, which are actually a real thing, by the way, when there are so many kinder, cheaper methods of beard growth. Let's get started. First off, let's look at why you might have a patchy beard. For some people, it might just be a case of genetics, which you can't really do much about. If your own father and grandfather could never grow a decent beard, there's a good chance you'll suffer the same fate. You might also have a hormone imbalance, such as a decrease in testosterone, or your patchiness may simply be down to poor diet or stress. Figuring out the source of the issue might help you to more effectively treat it, especially when it comes to your physical and emotional health. Now, on to the important part. Here are some of the best natural ways to grow your patchy beard into something far more impressive. Number 1. Wait it out. Like every worthy process, growing a beard takes time and patience. Many people give in with their beard growing efforts after a week or so because they think there's no hope for them. Actually though, beards grow in a number of stages. And while your beard may look patchy at first, give it some time and it might just pull through. Set yourself a month-long challenge during which you're not allowed to shave your beard while it grows. And don't stress, nobody cares if you have a bit of patchiness during growth. Number 2. Brush your beard. Why do you think women brush their hair? Aside from getting out the tangles, brushing also adds volume. While buying your own miniature beard brush might feel a bit silly, it'll help create a fuller look by lifting hairs to increase the volume, or at least the appearance of volume. You can click here to see some of the most popular beard brushes on the market. It'll also promote blood flow to your skin below the beard, which will encourage faster beard growth. Obviously, you only need a brush for when you have enough facial hair. Brushing your stubble is a big no. Number 3. Apply essential oils. Now we're really getting into the self-care with essential oils for your beard. Many essential oils treat the skin and hair follicles and enhance healthy beard growth. They're one of the best natural chemical-free options for encouraging your facial hair to get growing. Beard oils have antimicrobial properties and provide deep cleaning, while also making your beard easier to manage. Not only that, they also help clear away dead skin cells that itch and may inhibit hair growth. There are various beard growth products on the market that combine essential oils. If you click here, it will take you to one of the best. Number 4. Increase your protein intake. Your diet has a big impact on your hair growth capabilities, and if you want to fix your patchy beard, stocking up on protein is a must. Without protein, your beard doesn't stand a chance. This is because protein is made up of keratin, the substance that actually makes up our hair and nails, and is broken down into smaller amino acids. Our bodies can't produce amino acids on their own, so we need to get them from our food. If you're looking to add protein to your diet, choose wisely and go for fish, lean meats, poultry, and eggs, while saving red meats for one-off occasions only. Number 5. Hydrate with plenty of water. We all know that drinking lots of water is an all-around healthy habit, but it also has lots of specific beard growth benefits, including the fact that a properly hydrated body will produce enough moisture to encourage faster growth, resulting in a fuller, thicker beard. Of course, you need to be careful with what you hydrate with. Alcohol, for instance, will only dehydrate your body. Number 6. Get garlicky. Let's end with a natural method of beard growth that may not be for everyone: garlic. This pungent veggie is anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial, and keeps beard hair free from dandruff. The more normal way to use garlic would be to eat it, but you can also rub garlic in the balding areas of your beard 2 to 3 times a day. Unsurprisingly, it might make your beard take on a funky odor, so make sure you wash it off with a good beard shampoo. Remember, there really is no need to live with a patchy beard if you'd rather grow your beard to its full potential. If expensive beard products aren't for you, the natural tips mentioned in this video should work a treat. Simply make sure you're treating your beard with the right amount of attention and focusing on staying hydrated and eating healthily, and you'll have a much thicker, fuller beard in no time. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to this YouTube channel, and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on how to use Vicks VapoRub for faster and better beard growth. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.